Clearbrow, North Dallas, 24 Mazda track pack. So basically a full front Xpel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film, 8 mil thick, fastest self-healing, thickest film in the market. Guaranteed 10 years in writing by Xpel. Our installation at Clearbrow, North Dallas is guaranteed as long as you're the owner of the car. We did the full front fenders, hood, headlights, bumper, lower splitter. We did the rockers, mirrors, A-pillars, and this little strip up here. And then we did the rockers I mentioned, and then back here, the lower splash panel. We also tinted it and ceramic coated it. The tint's the XR Plus, highest heat rejection available. Windshields in 70, sides 30, rear is 30. Let's take a quick look around at what we do for the install on the PPF. So the PPF on this, it's quite simple. Wrapping all our edges in. This full hood's wrapped in. This fender into the engine area, nicely clear. A couple paint defects on this, nothing that's repairable by polishing or color sanding. It's just unfortunate that happens today, but they're very minor. And then we have the fender and the A-pillar up here where it would meet, all wrapped into the door area. The tops of the fender are wrapped in, the tops of the fender are wrapped in, the hood all the way around, keeping its clarity as well. No adhesive marks, no stretch marks. Our bumper goes in 2 sections. Here's the top, bottom. Here's our seam right in here. Keep that as tight as we can. We don't compromise any of our quality. All this here is wrapped all the way into the headlight, all the way up in one piece, no seaming. And coming around this side, much more of the same. Wrapping into the light. We didn't take the light out, we just came in real tight. Again, wrapping the fender in, wrapping off our corners. Very important when you're towel drying the car, if you're hitting edges, chances are you're gonna compromise that film eventually. We don't have any edges, so therefore this film is gonna last you the length it's gonna go, probably more than 10 years. I've had cars over 12 years come in here later, but wrapping all your edges is the way to go. That's the most efficient way. It is paint protection, so if this edge isn't wrapped, you're not wrapping all the paint, and you need to learn how to do that. So talk to your installers, make sure your expectations are set, and make sure they're gonna do what you want. If you have any questions, feel free, give us a call, clearbrownorthdallas.com. You can get us there, a bunch of numbers. Our Gmail's clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. And a cell phone, 940-703-8301. Just leave a message, I'll get back to you. If you don't leave a message, I can't get back to you. I don't go through history. I figure if you don't leave a message, it wasn't important. So, and plus there's a lot of spam, so it's annoying to call back a spam number. But there you go, Mazda 24 Miata, great car. New color, I guess. Perfectly wrapped, doesn't look like it's there. Owner's gonna be happy. And that's it, folks. Anything you need, let us know, clearbrownorthdallas.com.